Should I zoom in? Probably not. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, all 70 of you, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I hope you're new. My name is Lauren, and I don't know what video I'm filming today, so I'm about to go through my video ideas and figure it out. I need to do a quick one because my mom's gonna be home soon and I don't want her to hear me. Alright, so today we are going to be talking about what to bring to sorority recruitment. So basically, I went through Rush at the University of Arkansas. I am a Kappa Delta. Go Katie. Is that backwards? So I don't know how it works at other colleges, but at the University of Arkansas, you basically, they give you like a bag that you can bring and take through with you to each house during recruitment. And there's like restrictions on like what you can and can't have each day, so I'm basically gonna give you a rundown of that. It's probably different at other schools and with other sororities, but this is just the way it worked at the U of A where I went to school. Tip number 1 is to bring a notebook and a pen. At the University of Arkansas, they gave us like a little Rush notebook, and I think we had to bring our own pens. I can't remember. But anyways, it's really helpful like after each party to write down your thoughts on each sorority and how you felt in the house and what you talked about. If you can remember names of girls, write that down too. It's just a really good way to condense like your thoughts, and that way when it's time to make cuts and go through and pick which sororities you want to go back to, you can look through your notes, and it'll just be really helpful because it's really confusing the first few days. Remembering like philanthropies and like which conversations you had where and that kind of thing. So just write down literally everything you can remember once you leave the house. Like you'll have maybe like 15 minutes the first few days like between each house to just write down everything you can remember, and then look back over it later and you'll be good to go. Bring a water bottle. They also gave us one of these. It's probably going to be really hot and you could get dehydrated. Some girls pass out during Rush and it's really bad and it's really scary, and I'm talking really fast. I need to slow down. Okay, there will be water fountains surely like wherever you're going, but also at the sororities they also will usually offer you a drink like as the week goes on, like lemonade or something, or water. Choose water if you can because you're gonna need water, so bring a water bottle. I also brought perfume during recruitment because again it's really hot and you get really sweaty. Bring deodorant, please, because you're gonna be really up close and personal with a lot of girls, and if you stink they will know you stink and it won't be fun. Okay, next tip. I brought a hairbrush or a comb just because again, it's really hot, humidity, my hair gets really frizzy, and also it rained a few days, so I just brought like a comb or a hairbrush, and just in between parties I could kind of like fix my hair, make sure it didn't look awful. And along with that, bring hair ties, bring bobby pins. Some girls bring like straighteners and curling irons. I brought a curling iron on pref just because you only have 2 parties and it's like the most important day or whatever, and I just wanted to make sure my hair looked nice because I didn't have time to finish it before I left, and so before my first party I curled my hair in the waiting area we go to. We waited in churches. The thing about that stuff is you may meet girls who also need like a curling iron or a hair tie or something, and then they can borrow it and then they can be your friend. Like on my pref, a girl borrowed my curling iron and she ended up being in my sorority, and it was like, hey, you're the girl that let me borrow her curling iron, and I was like, yeah, that's me, and then friends, kind of. Bring tampons or pads because someone's gonna get their period. It may be you, it may be the girl next to you, but someone's gonna need them and someone's gonna have them, and it might as well be you. I personally brought makeup because I just wanted to make sure I looked nice, and I feel better about myself when I look nice. So I brought powder, lipstick, and concealer. And then I had like a highlighter that I liked to reapply, but it also had a little mirror in it, so I just brought that. Probably don't bring your whole makeup bag. Some girls did, but also it could get stolen or lost or something, so that wouldn't be fun. Just if you want to touch up your makeup throughout the day, because they're really long days. You're out for like 12 hours on some days. So if you want to bring makeup, bring your makeup. You don't have to. You don't even have to wear makeup, but I just wanted to bring makeup because I was sweating a lot. Not that you needed to know that. So at the U of A, we had, we could wait in like churches like throughout campus, because there were like churches on campus, and they had like magazines there and coloring books and puzzles and all that kind of stuff. But you could also bring your own if you wanted to, because you'll probably be sitting down for hours on end just doing nothing and getting really bored. You could bring a book. Some girls brought books and were reading, and I was jealous because I didn't bring anything and I was very bored. Anything to keep you occupied that you enjoy, you should bring that. Snacks, because you're gonna be starving. Yeah, or eat breakfast. Honestly, eat breakfast. Bring a granola bar or a bag of chips. Bring gum. That's a good tip. Just anything like that, because you will probably end up getting hungry. And at the U of A, we had like a lunch meal ticket, so we could eat lunch on campus, but you couldn't eat dinner. Like, you didn't just get to eat dinner, and you usually didn't have time, so you would eat afterwards. But again, you could be getting done at like 5 or 6 or 7, so bring snacks. Also a good way to make friends, by sharing. Like I said, you will make friends just by sharing the stuff you bring. You'll remember girls, you'll remember their names, you'll remember where you met them. Sharing is great. Just bring extras of stuff if you want, or just be nice and a good human being and let people borrow stuff. Bring an umbrella if it's supposed to rain, because chances are it will rain. Like at the U of A, it rains every single year. Really hot every year, rains every single year. Some girls brought portable fans. I mean, that's a little extra, but if you want to, go for it. But yeah, definitely an umbrella. Maybe even a poncho. Some girls had ponchos, and honestly, it was really smart. Also, another tip, on pref, I brought a change of clothes because it was a long walk for me to get, first of all, to the place we all meet before recruitment starts, and then also you're walking all over campus. You're walking miles in one day. So I brought a change of shoes because on pref, you typically wear heels or wedges, whatever. I brought flip-flops. They weren't flip-flops. I brought sandals in between parties to wear to the houses, and then just throw on my heels. And honestly, it was great because you only have 2 parties on pref, so then the rest of the day you can just be wearing whatever you want. But along with the tip about change of shoes, you should bring band-aids, because if you have a new pair of shoes, or you're just wearing your shoes for a long period of time during the day, which you will be, you might get blisters, and so band-aids are a really good idea. And again, you will probably meet someone that needs band-aids, so then you can share and make friends. And this isn't something that you can bring, but it's important to say you cannot have your phone or a watch. So no Apple Watches, no watches in general. There's no clocks in the houses that you can see. You don't know the time. You will get in trouble if you have your phone, like a lot of trouble. Important to know, so you know, at the end of the day, then you can update your family and your friends about everything going on. Alright you guys, that was a really quick, honestly easy video for me to film, just about my tips for like what you should bring during sorority recruitment. Like I said, it could be different like school to school, like maybe some places won't even let you carry a bag, but at the U of A, this is what worked for me and this is what I brought during the week. Well, hopefully I will be uploading more. You can expect more sorority videos from me coming soon because it is recruitment season. So drop a comment if you're rushing this year. Don't tell me if you're rushing at the U of A because I'm not supposed to know. I hope you have a good rush experience, and I hope you bring these things, and I hope it's really fun. Alright, so I will talk to you guys in my next video, and good luck going through recruitment, I guess, if you're watching this. Okay, bye.